Trichloroethylene is a volatile organic compound and chemical substance with the chemical formula C2HCl3. It is a colorless, non-flammable liquid with a sweet odor, primarily used as an industrial solvent, degreaser, and in some medical applications. Trichloroethylene is known for its ability to dissolve oils, fats, and waxes, making it useful for cleaning and degreasing metal parts and in various manufacturing processes. However, it is also considered a hazardous substance due to its potential health risks and environmental concerns, including its association with adverse health effects such as respiratory and central nervous system problems, as well as its contribution to air pollution and groundwater contamination when not handled and disposed of properly. Uses. Degreasing. TCE has been widely used to degrease metal parts in industrial settings, such as in automotive manufacturing, aerospace, and electronics industries. It effectively removes oils, greases, and other contaminants from metal surfaces. Chemical intermediate. TCE can serve as an intermediate in the production of other chemicals, such as hydrofluorocarbon refrigerants. Extraction. It has been used in the extraction of specific compounds in laboratories, particularly for separating and purifying chemicals. Cleaning agent. TCE has been used as a cleaning agent for various applications, including cleaning machinery, equipment, and tools. Spot remover. It has been used as a spot remover in the dry cleaning industry for removing stains from clothing and fabrics. Anesthetic. In the past, trichloroethylene was used as an inhaled anesthetic in medical and dental procedures. However, this use has largely been phased out due to safety concerns. Pharmaceutical manufacturing. TCE has been employed in the pharmaceutical industry for various purposes, such as extracting natural products or cleaning equipment.